Oh, I got some creepy sounds out in the desert. I've heard coyotes, something little skittering around. I guess because it's dark enough that they think I'm not out here. And then my fire is down to embers, which looks kind of creepy by itself. It looks like there's scarabs in there and bones and little pieces of demons in there. So, but it's definitely hot. I set something on it. Let me grab a couple chunks of wood. See what it does. Why don't you make a liar out of me? Oh, we got those weird lights over there. I got all these lights out here. Got our flashing light out there. Don't have any neighbors flashing me out here like on one of the other sites I had. I'll take a walk through here. I don't know if you can see the stars. You can see some of the bright ones. But I heard something making noise over here, but I came over here and then I hear it over there. Like this creepy looking car. Oh, I guess the wood is making a liar out of me.